Hi everyone and welcome back to a new video. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you that how you can enable two-step verification on WhatsApp application. So how you're going to do it, watch this video till the end and let's find out. First thing you need to do is to go to your WhatsApp application on your device. Then you need to tap on the three lines at the top right corner. From there, you need to go to settings. And here in settings, you need to tap on accounts. In account, you will find the two-step verification option here. You need to tap on that one. And here, right at the bottom, you will see turn on. You need to tap on that one. Now you can create a two-step verification by selecting a 6-digit PIN that you can remember it. So now once you enter the PIN, you need to confirm the PIN as well. So guys, once you enter the two-step verification PIN, you need to tap on save. So as you can see now, the two-step verification has been enabled on my WhatsApp. You can change the PIN anytime by coming back to the two-step verification. If you want to change the PIN, just tap on change the PIN and your PIN will be changed. So guys, this is how you can enable two-step verification on WhatsApp.